Hi everyone, for Science Today, we're going to go through a Ranger Rick Cub magazine together. And we're going to learn some fun facts about some cool animals. All right, so this is the Cub magazine. And what do you see? I see a gorilla. Do you see a gorilla? Oh! This is a baby gorilla. He has black hair, and he has two eyes and a nose and a mouth. Ears, and he's holding onto some branches, and he's outside. I can tell because I can see lots of plants around him. All right, let me make this bigger. There we go. This is George. George is a gorilla. George lives in the forest with his mom, his dad, and other family members. George likes to eat plants and climb on his dad. So cute. His dad is laying on his back and relaxing, and George is hanging out with his daddy. Look at his mouth. Does he look happy or sad? I think he looks really happy. All right, now we're going to play I Spy. All right, so here's the animals that we're going to look for. We have a leopard. A leopard is a cat that has spots. He walks on four legs. He has a long tail. He has whiskers, ears, and a nose, and a mouth, and some sharp claws. All right, the next thing we're going to look for is a parrot. A parrot is a bird with feathers. He has wings so that he can fly. He has two legs, a long beak on his face. Here is a hog. A hog kind of looks like a pig. A hog has fur. He walks on four legs. He has a tail. He has a long snout, which is a nose. And he has some little horns coming out of his mouth. All right, so now we're going to go spy these animals. All right, let's first look for the leopard. I spy a leopard on the other page. Do you see a leopard? Put your finger on the leopard. Okay. Is this a leopard? No. About this one? No, no, no. That looks like George and his dad. Oh, there's the leopard. We found the leopard. Good job. Okay, let's go look for the hog. Can you find the hog on this page? Put your finger on the hog. Okay, let's go find him. I spy a hog. Is this a hog? No, that's a gorilla. Is this a hog? No, that's a leopard. How about this one? No, that's a parrot. And a type of monkey? Oh, there it is. There's the hog. We found it. All right, now let's find the parrot. Can you find the bird called a parrot? Look on the other page. Put your finger on it. Is this a parrot? No. Oh, look up here. There it is. He is standing on a branch up high in the tree. I'll bet he's going to take flight in just a minute. That means he's going to fly off. Good job playing I Spy. All right. The next one is called Hello, Baby. This is a new animal. I'll bet you haven't heard of that before. This is the letter N. This is a capital N, and this is a lowercase n. N says N. N is for numbat. A baby numbat is called a joey. There's the baby. A baby numbat is a joey. So this is the letter N. Can we think of some other letters that start with the letter N? Can you think of one? How about nut? How about nice? Can you think of any others? What number starts with the letter N? 9. 19. All right, how about, we're getting tired. Let's take a nap. Very good. Your name also starts with the letter N. All right, here we have a penguin. Surf's up. Swimming is fine, but surfing's my fave. It's lots of fun to ride on a wave. Penguins love the water. I love the water too. You know what I like to do? I like to lay on a float in the swimming pool or in the ocean. What do you like to do in the water? That's pretty cool. All right, now we're going to count. We have some lions that we're going to count. There are 4 lions. Count them. Here's the number 4. 1. Here's 1 lion. Here's another. 2. 1, 2. Wow, he is so big. Okay, let's look at the next one. 3. This is the 3rd lion. 1, 2, 3. Look at this one. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 lions. Good counting. This number 4 is the same as this number. Okay, follow that ant. Look, it's an ant right there. Let's see it and let's follow it and see where it's going. Oh my goodness, look at the line of ants. The ant is walking in an ant parade. The ants are all going home. They're all following the leader all the way home. They're going inside the anthill, and that's where they live, inside the anthill. This bird is called a yellowlegs. It can wade. That means he has long legs and he can stand and walk through water very easily. Have you ever waded in the water? That means you go out to the pool and you're pretty deep in the water, maybe up to your knees or your thighs, and you can walk around. Maybe at the beach. I like to wade there. Okay, here's Cubby. Hi, I'm Cubby. Find me 5 more times in this magazine. Okay, let's look for him. All right, here we go. Is he on this page? There he is. That's 1. Is he on this page? No. Is he on this page? No, I don't see him. Is he on this page? Yes. Okay, 2. Is he on this page? No. Is he on this page? Yes. Okay, that's 3. There he is. There's 4 of Cubby. Is he on this page? No, I don't see him. And there's the last one, number 5. We found 5 of him. All right, so I hope you enjoyed Ranger Rick Cub. Bye, guys.